So you saw the footage of His Holiness escaping. Well, we showed Marty Scorsese's film Kundun, which is very hard to see because because Disney has a deal with the Chinese and they've taken it out of circulation. It's very difficult to see this film. But we showed it to His Holiness in New York, and it was a small screening with some close friends. And the screening was over. His Holiness was very silent. And we all were we'd seen the film, of course, many times, and we were watching him watch the film. And he wasn't ready to say anything. So we kind of retired to another room, and we had tea and cookies. And after a while, I said, Your Holiness, we'd love to hear from you what you think of the film, or what you're thinking and feeling right now. And he said, you know, that moment in the film, which was from my life, when I escaped and I crossed the border into Arunachal Pradesh, into India, with my Kampas, the Kampa warriors, the tough guys that got him out. And once I was there, I saw the Kampas ride back into Tibet. I knew I would never see them again. And then I turned around and looked into India, and I didn't know anyone. I didn't have a friend. And then he looked around at us and he said, now I have friends everywhere. And I think that's the Tibetan experience. They had to escape into a world that they knew nothing about. No one knew them. They didn't have a friend in the world. And now they have friends everywhere. And now we're friends.